Hello guys, I am back and we're going to discuss further. We have been talking about returning to work after childbirth in Europe, well-being, work-life balance, and the interplay of supervisor support. And now we're coming to the part where we get into the data, and I had read about the dependent variable, which I will be reading more into the independent variable and also the control variable. And it consists of a lot of reading material, and I know you guys may think the data is kind of boring and the reading, but we're at the data part, and we need to get what the Europeans survey was, and we need to find out what the results was, and which we would be discussing further in the next video. But today I'm gonna be reading about the independent variables and the control variables, and you guys just bear with me because we are going to get more into some interesting parts, and we're going to get more into in depth with some more videos, and but we got to do the data part. I know it may appear boring, and you may not quite understand everything, but guys, we'll try to figure it out together. And that's one thing that I want to do during my videos. I want to make it the experience. I want to make you to be able to understand it, and to throw some questions out there to you guys, and get feedback from your replies, and post that way, because I feel like that if we're working together towards if we're mothers and that have given childbirth and have had children before, we know how stressful and how hard it was. So, we can relate. So when I love the feedback from you guys, and questions that you ask. And like I said, we will be continuing to answer questions, and giving each other feedback on, childbirth, and also on women inequality. So now, guys, I'm going to read about the independent variables that was founded. Two items were chosen from the 6 EWCS, which is European Working Conditions Survey. The variables under study as perceived by employees: SS, which is supervisor support, and WLB, which is work, life, and balance. Although numerous researchers are in favor of the use of multiple items measure, this trend has been challenged. Liu, 2002. In fact, there are numerous authors who have analyzed the validity of single item measures, and their findings provided qualified support for them. Robbins, 2001. The use of a single item scale for capturing the constructs under study has demonstrated the ability to validate and predict outcomes. Wanous and Hudy, 2001. According, supervisor support was measured through the following questions. For the following statement, please select the response which best describes your work situation. Your manager helps and supports you. The response scale ranged from never, and that was number 1, to always, and that was number 5. Work-life balance was measured through the following questions. How do your work hours fit in with your family or social commitments outside work? The type response scale ranged from not at all well, which was number 1, to very well, which was number 4. And now, guys, I'm gonna read the control variable. Two variables was treated as control variables and analyzed to be reported. Number of children and general health. We control for the number of children because previous research has indicated that this factor may confound the relationship between the study variables. Greenhaus, 2003. For example, more children at home have been associated with increased work and family demands. More children at home, I'm going to repeat that, have been associated with increased work and family demands. More children at home, leading to higher levels of work, family, conflict, and consequently to reduced well-being. Perrewé, 1999. On the other hand, women experience poor mental and physical health during the postpartum period. Manag and Blaine, 2005, which affects the well-being. It was significant to incorporate general health as controlled variable in our study. Respondents were asked, how is your health in general? Would you say it is? And they rated their health on a scale ranging from very bad was 1 to very good, 5. Okay, guys, we're going to stop there for today. And our next video, we're going to go into the results, and we're going to talk about those results, and then we'll be moving further to additional videos. And so, guys, our next time together, we'll be discussing the results from this European survey. Thank you, guys, for your patience. Thank you for looking at my videos and posting. Continue to do that, and I appreciate it, and God bless. Thank you. Bye-bye.